This tutorial will teach you to replace gauge face in the Sport Chrono in Porsche 911 of the 992 generation. Here's what tools you'll need. Lint-free cloth, Torx T6. Remove the rubber seal. Apply light pressure on the cover to find the 3 clips on the cap and carefully remove it. Remove the black ring. Then gently remove the needle. Separate the board from the plastic body. Unscrew the 2 bolts using a Torx. Now the gauge is not held by anything. Remove it. Carefully and precisely press on the 3 clips to remove the central silver ring. Just look at these gauges designed and made by Gauge Faces Com. Place the new red overlay in the position of the factory one and press it down with the ring. Attach the gauge to the board by screwing them together with bolts. Return the mechanism back into the plastic case. Highly recommend to check the Sport Chrono by connecting it to 12 volts. Reinstall all the plastic rings and the pointer. All pins should be aligned with their position holes. Dust blower and cloth usage is highly recommended. On the inner wall of the cover, there are 3 recesses. Align them with the 3 clips on the cap and snap the chronograph into place. Don't forget to return the rubber seal. Enjoy the result. To find a wide range of premium gauges for your cluster, visit GaugeFaces.com.